We are remodeling a beautiful home that needed a little updating. Stay tuned as we share the room-by-room transformations of the Riverbottoms remodel. Our client wanted a closet and laundry room in one space. I didn't even know that was an option, but now I want a washer and dryer in our closet. Small spaces are the perfect place to make a statement. In a small room, you will never be taken back by how grand it is, so you have to do other things to make it bold and the design stand out. And that is why I like to do, beautiful wallpaper or dark colors in places like powder bathrooms, closets, even in office space. In the closet, we did this really great green color on the island as a statement, and then this amazing plaid carpet. Typically when we select wall-to-wall carpet for a home, I like to keep it pretty neutral. We'll do something with the low pile and kind of the tans and grays, and it just makes it so that it doesn't overwhelm a space. But when you have a smaller area like the closet, you can go bigger because it's contained.
Originally, this was just a standard walk-in closet, but we were able to take down 2 walls and utilize the spaces that were being unused to create a large and spacious closet. Our client has a more modern and casual style, but the house is a little bit more traditional. Our goal was to blend these 2 styles together and make it work.
Our client's must-haves were a vanity in the closet, so she could get ready, do her hair and makeup, but then hide everything kind of away in the closet. And then also an island, so a great place to be able to fold clothes, but then also set out jewelry and just a place to lay things out to get ready.
A couple details that we love about this island are the thick marble look-alike countertops, and we decided to do a shaker detail that went around the entire double drawer instead of each having their own shaker. The lines are still really clean, but it gives it a little bit more of a classic look. When we talk about dream closets, this is definitely one of them. You have everything that you could possibly need in one space. A laundry room, an island, a vanity, and tons of clothing storage. And then on top of it all, it looks really beautiful too. We have a few more videos of this home that we've been remodeling, so stay tuned.